Hello, everyone. In our previous sessions, we walked through establishing an online gift card store, from automatic redeem code allocation to product mapping between our site and the Gifty service. Today, we're tackling a crucial aspect: product inventory synchronization. It's common for a gift card to become unavailable in the global market. For instance, if the original company like Apple, Microsoft, or Netflix stops selling it. In such cases, the product also becomes unavailable on Gifty, but it might still show as in stock on our website. In this part, we're going to set up configurations to synchronize our product inventory with Gifty. We'll also touch upon synchronizing order statuses. To begin, in the Gifty plugin settings, we navigate to the Products tab. Generally, a gift card in Gifty can have 4 statuses. Instant delivery. This is the most desirable status, meaning we're directly connected to the global service provider and receive the code instantly. Manual delivery. Some products, usually a small number, require action from the supply operator. These are referred to as manual delivery. Out of stock, products that become unavailable, and deleted. The fourth option is when products are completely removed. Here, we determine what the plugin should do for us in these situations. It's important to note that this is for when the product status changes from the service provider side. We initially set the product status ourselves, but after that, the plugin automatically syncs it according to these settings. After making our selections, we save the changes and return to the Products tab. For websites with low traffic, a suitable option is synchronization upon product load. If you have fewer than 100 visitors daily, I recommend enabling this option and saving the changes. Your setup is then complete. With this option, when a user enters your product page, the gift card status is synchronized before the page fully loads. However, for high-traffic sites, this method can lead to request limit errors.
For high-traffic websites, we utilize cron jobs, or scheduled events within WordPress. In the cron job tab, you can set the product synchronization schedule, for example, to twice a day, which is usually sufficient. This method is not recommended for low-traffic sites because it uses server resources to sync products that might not even be viewed that day. Conversely, for high-traffic sites, it's very efficient because it performs the synchronization only once or twice a day according to our settings, and naturally, product page loads are faster. You'll see that the product synchronization cron job status is currently inactive. I'll click Save Settings to activate it. As you can see, it's now active. There's also a button here to run the process immediately. I'll perform a test, and you can see that it has synchronized the mapped products. If you recall, we had mapped 2 products in total: PlayStation Turkey 500 lira and 1,000 lira.
One last section remains in the cron job tab that we haven't explained: order updates via cron job. This is only recommended for local host and test environments, places where we are not on the main domain, don't have HTTPS, and naturally our domain is not visible to the global network. This option can be helpful there. However, when we are on the main domain, no additional configuration is needed, as the plugin's communication with Gifty is two-way, and it notifies us of the latest order status via webhooks. I hope this has been useful so far. Stay with us for the next parts.